He's brave, he's bold, he's ready to fight. With a cage will rip it out of sight. He's stretching.
Chum, are you sure about this? Okay. Starting transfusion. Hang in there, Chum. We're keeping all three of you alive right now.
Transfusion rate nominal.
Hey, big guy. Stay with me, okay?
Recipients stabilizing. Donor predictably declining.
Don't call him a donor like he's a spare battery. Chum, look at me.
Consciousness is expected at this stage.
That's it. I'm stopping it.
This is you. The one she chased. The one she reached for. No! No! Not like that! I said monster! Yes! There he is! Ooh, beautiful. Nope. Too slow, too big, too stupid. Let's see you sneer at me now.
There you are!
Well, what a performance. And no one invited me.
No, wait. No, not now, not now! No.
Lost something?
Get over here! He's fun you, he's squish you, he's fun you. D-O-E-Y.
Don't be afraid.
She'll fix you.
No more games. No more lies.
Let's be scared together. Happy? You?
We're gonna play a game called Cleaning Up. Very good, Huggy. You're doing so. Yeah. Okay. So when you hear the music, you move your little feet, and when the music stops, you make sure you're in the light. Okay. Oh, Huggy, put them in the bad toy box.
No, please, tell me who I am! Please, don't put me in the box!
Goodness! I don't think they're here for the party, Lily. Well, of course they are, Candy. Why else would they be here? We're going to have so much No, we have to set up for the party. Can you be a good toy and bring me the crumpets from the oven in the basement?
built us a home and kept us safe. And you repaid me by bringing in an outsider. Plotting to
Destroy
the only heaven you or I
will ever get. I had hoped your time in the case would help you see.
I see now.
This was my fault. You.
I let you into my house! I let you come to my tea party! And this is how you repay me!
And you.
Well now, this is a rather interesting turn of events.